So color balance is an adjustment layer where you can uh, specifically affect the color of the values, so shadow, midtones, and highlights. Um, so, for example, here we have this fairly monochromatic image, but it does have pretty distinct values: highlight, midtone, shadow. And so if we go into color balance, notice you can select shadows, you can select midtones, you can select highlights. So let's start with highlights and say we want to make those, like more yellow. But then we want to do something like take the midtones and change them to green or magenta or something, really different. So you could go in and really target the different value areas essentially. So here we have before and after. So another example, taking something like this and saying, um, I want to go into it and essentially change the color so that it's um, more of a complementary color contrast than what we have here. So this is kind of green orange. I want it to be more like this, more of a blue orange or teal orange, which is just going to look a little bit more complementary. So going into that and just taking the midtones in this case and just sliding them to a more blue kind of color. And then I went in, if you don't have part of this masked off over top of the ball, it's going to affect the color of that too. So you do want to probably go in and do some masking with this. Another example, similarly, enhancing the contrast of colors here by making this more of a warm, cool orange blue kind of complementary pairing. Or you have a couple of analogous colors, yellows and oranges and blues with some purples, things like that. So simple enough, just going in to the different color channels, sliding things, or not color channels, but the different values, and then sliding these things around a little bit to adjust the colors in a way that you think you like for whatever reason. So very easy to use, very intuitive, um, and a powerful one. And again, usually used in combination with some kind of masking, because you're going to want to back it off in certain areas and let it sort of powerfully affect other spots.